Welcome back, everybody. For today, we have to discuss OPENDOOR, the new meme stock that jumped almost 1000% in this year, reversing from the bottom. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for education purposes, and we're not actually financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So as we said, guys, Open did the huge jump today, and of course the major jump happened before the earnings here on July this year, and technically jumped almost 700%, almost 1000 in just 2 weeks. Then we pulled back for 2 weeks and now reversing again. For today we did 10%, and this meme stock is continue to jump. This might be the new AMC or GameStop, and everybody actually looking for the new AMC or GameStop because the other two are sleeping, and now we have OPENDOOR that actually opened the door for another squeeze for another meme stocks. For today, we have a huge jump. It was more than 20% today, and now it's 10% reversing from this huge jump around the $4. Some of you asking about this stock because it might, some of you said that it might go toward the $10. The IPO price back in 2021. And this one is, of course, right now reversing from the big picture. If you see here what's happening after the nice earnings and the nice revenue. Last one, we have bad earnings, but good revenue, almost 2 billion. And of course, we jumped before that after we broke this bearish trend and we entered this huge bullish trend in 2 weeks. 700% is big reversal, guys, if you want to ask me. And of course, this is took the meme stock name really strongly because right now it is back on the 2.59 billion market cap. Before it was below that, after before this kind of jump that we did before the earnings. So now we have a huge attention and a lot of trading again open because it looked really interesting for another jump up, especially if it held over the $3 right now, which is the $3.35. So what we should expect and what we should do for this play. First of all, we have this trend over this white line that we should hold over the $3. So we are between the $3, $4. So the $4 is kind of the where the resistance is at, that we should break to go toward the 440 and almost the 5, and the $3 or the $3.10. It is the current support that we should hold between the $3.30 and the $3.10. We already discussed open, and we already discussed other stocks actually for our hunters today. One of them was really good to buy the dip at. It was PPCB, guys. It reversed 100% today before the market opened. We discussed this before the market opened. This chart, guys, we updated on our Discord and Bitcoin. If you are one of the disciplined hunter and didn't see this chart, is mean you don't have access to the king and the elite level. You can actually upgrade, guys, if you want to have access to the watch list daily that we do every day from today. And of course, this one was one of the best trade, at least I think, for this month. Because it reversed perfectly from our bottom and did 100%. So this is one of the example that we do, guys, on Discord and Bitcoin. The link in the comment section below if you want to join for those kind of updates. And of course, Open did really great job because we already discussed it before on our daily update. As you can see here, once the price was around the $3.43, and of course we hit the $3.65 and $3.99. This update we did it before for Open, and of course we hit our profit taking. We're gonna discuss Open tomorrow for our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube, and before that almost 3 hours or 4 hours early on our Discord and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.